Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to check the software version of this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. Choose here settings. From the list of settings, all you need to do is select the last tab, which is info. Under info, you can use the left menu, select here system information, and you've got access here to software version. So you can read here a few information about the software, for example, the NTG7. So this confirms that you have the absolute latest generation of the MBUX system. It's faster, supports wireless smartphone integration, and has much smarter voice AI. The rest of the code, like E505, tells the mechanic exactly which update is currently installed, so you can read the information. You will also read here the region from the following version, and basically that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.